Hi, y'all. Okay, picture this. It's one of those days. You're hungry, but too tired to cook anything fancy. Well, lucky for you, we're about to make the easiest, most delicious corn you've ever had. Seriously, if you can boil water, you can master this. Step 1, boil some water. Step 2, toss in your corn. And now, the waiting game. It's like the world's slowest magic trick, but trust me, it's worth it. While we wait, did you know corn is actually a secret health hero? It's packed with fiber, so, keeps things moving along. Plus, it's full of vitamin C, which makes you feel like you're getting a mini glow up, thanks, corn. And boom, corn's done. Look at that golden goodness. Simple, healthy, and let's be real, this is the kind of recipe that makes you feel like a kitchen pro, even though you barely did anything. Wow. Yep. This is what winning at life tastes like. Plus, it's basically a snack and a health boost in one. Give it a try, your taste buds will love you, and your body will thank you. Easy, healthy, and delicious. Subscribe for more cooking inspiration, for more super simple kitchen wins. Let's cook up happiness together. God bless.